G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about the lighting for the YouTube videos. Currently I'm using a 10-inch selfie ring light which I purchased from Kmart for $10. It has done the job so far, but I am looking for something better now, which will give me better quality of images and video quality. So I wasn't willing to spend too much. So I was looking for another cheap option, but obviously better than the $10 Kmart selfie ring light. So I was at Bunnings today and I just come across this 30-watt LED work light, which is on a tripod, and also it can move around in different directions as well. So today I'm going to show you an unboxing of this 30-watt LED work light from ARLEC. As you can see, it's 2400 lumens LED, ATCRI rating, IP65 weather resistance, and 110-degree beam angles. So it can swirl around and it can go up and down, just like a normal selfie ring light on a tripod. I'll show you more. On the other side, it's got a telescopic tripod with 2-meter powered cord and plug as well, and aluminum die cast enclosure, adjustable LED head. So let's put this together. This is the tripod. Put the bubble wrap on the side. Basically, I've got this stand out of the box, which has got the knob, and the legs can collapse as such. You can see in the video, and I'll tighten this knob again to make sure that I get my. So I will tighten this knob to secure the legs in its place. So the other item I've got out of the box is this 30-watt LED lamp with a 2-meter long cable, and I've got this knob to secure this lamp onto this tripod. So I'm going to show you now how to do this. So I've got these two washers, and I've got this knob which I'm going to use to secure this lamp on this stand. And use the knobs on the side to rotate it in any direction I want. The legs are adjustable, and the telescopic beam in the middle can also be extended to suit your requirement. So now I've assembled the ARLEC 30-watt LED tripod work light, and it was very easy to assemble it. As you can see, this is what it looks like, with the very adjustable legs and the telescopic rod in the middle can go up to 1.2 meters in length. This is the 2-meter cable. I'll show you the result, what it looks like with the normal selfie ring light, what I have got right now, and when I replace it with this 30-watt LED light. So guys, I've just put together the 30-watt LED tripod light. I've put it on my right hand side, and the selfie ring light is on my left. So now we're going to compare the results. It's at equal distance from me right now. I will turn on the selfie ring light and I'll show you what the result looks like. So here we go. that's what the result is for the selfie ring light. I'll turn it off. Now I'm going to turn the LED work light, which I have just bought from Bunnings. And it's too bright. This light is actually very horrible. I don't think this is what I was really after. After putting it together, it's not for YouTube videos. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with another video next time. Thank you very much for watching.